In this video, I'll be showing you how to check Prime Video password. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, whether you're on the Amazon application or the Prime Video application, there isn't actually a way within those applications to check your password. So what you're going to have to do is two different methods, regardless of if you're on iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. So the first thing is if you have an iPhone is just type in passwords and you're going to see passwords as an application right there. Then go ahead and scan your face or type in your PIN. Then go over to all. And then all you want to do is go ahead and locate Amazon or just Prime Video. And once you go ahead and find it, you're going to be able to see your password right there. Now, if you don't see it in your passwords manager, if you're on Android or anything like that, then what you're going to do is go to your Google password manager. Once I'm here, all I want to do is type in password manager like so, and I'm going to see passwords.google.com. Now, once I'm here, I'm going to see a few different things. All I want to do is look for my Amazon Prime, and then that's it. It's going to be right there, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.